Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Pinterest pins that rank on search. So creating Pinterest pins that rank well on search requires strategic optimization and compelling content. So here is the step-by-step guide to help you pin rank effectively. I will just tap on my Pinterest application on my iOS device. So you will just create a high quality visual pin. I will just tap on it bottom center plus icon, and I will just tap on it like pin, and I will just give them access to my library, and I will just selected this like uh, healthy for foods. So you will just use vertical images. Pinterest prefers 2.3 aspect ratio, and you will just choose a bright vibrant colors to catch the eye, and make sure you will just overlay your image with the clear readable text to convey the pin's purpose. So you will just also include your primary keyword in the title, like four most favorite fruits. So you will just keep it short and engaging and descriptive. You will just keep it short and engaging and 10 easy. So that's so the title will be keep it short and engaging. So you will just optimize your pen, write a detailed keyword rich description, and like these four fruits are healthy for daily life. So you will just also add a link if you have a website. So you will just tap to create it easily, and you will just make it short. So you will also research trending and popular keywords using Pinterest search bar tool like Pinterest trending or Google keywords planner, and in this way you can just use Pinterest to create pins that rank on search. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.